You don't need a year to change your life. You need 30 days of ruthless consistency. If you feel sluggish, unmotivated, or just sick of your own excuses, you're not broken. You just need a hard reset. This is the 30-day Fix Yourself Challenge. For non-negotiable daily rules. No generic advice, no complicated routines. Rule number 1, the 1-hour bookends. For the next 30 days, absolutely no screens inside the first hour of waking up, and the last hour before bed. The second you wake up, you hijack your brain's dopamine and instantly set yourself up for distraction and brain fog. Use that morning hour to drink a big glass of water. Get natural sunlight in your eyes. Plan your day. Fix your morning, fix your focus. Rule number 2, 30 minutes of intentional sweat. Notice, I didn't say you need to survive an intense 2-hour gym session. You just need to move your body enough to break a sweat every single day. Lift weights, run, do calisthenics, or power walk up a hill. Daily physical friction builds mental toughness. It floods your brain with endorphins and proves to yourself that you can do uncomfortable things. Rule number 3, eat like an adult. We're keeping this incredibly simple. For 30 days, 0 ultra-processed foods, 0 sugary drinks, and absolutely no alcohol. Your anxiety, your fatigue, and your lack of drive are largely tied to your gut and your blood sugar spiking and crashing all day. Fuel your body with whole, single-ingredient foods, and watch your daily energy double by week 2. Finally, rule number 4, the one hard thing task. Every single day, you will dedicate exactly 45 minutes of zero distraction deep work to the one thing you've been procrastinating on. Maybe it's studying for a certification, applying for new jobs, building a side hustle, or writing. Stop pushing it to tomorrow. 45 minutes a day for 30 days is over 22 hours of pure, compounded progress. For rules, 30 days. It won't be easy, but I promise you, at the end of this month, you won't even recognize the person in the mirror. Your 30 days start tomorrow. Drop a "I'm in" the comments to lock in your commitment, and I'll see you at the finish line.